Welcome all you outdoorsmen
and women
to the Sticks Outfitter. My name's Craig, this is Shad, and today we're going to talk about finding your anchor point for a trigger release.
With a gun or a bow?
With a compound bow.
What about a gun?
Alright, so we call this the 3-point contact, don't we?
Oh, yeah, you do.
So the first one you're going to want is your release hand point of contact. And that's where your last knuckle of the index finger, your trigger finger, goes underneath your ear. That right there, just like you're socking yourself in the face. You'll feel it right up against your jaw and under your earlobe.
Tender right there.
Yeah, don't hit it too hard.
Pressure point?
And that'll give you a good consistent little first anchor point. And I also like to have another one that goes like under the jaw. You'll see mine kind of goes up against the jugular, against the jawbone.
Well, you don't have a prominent jawbone like I do.
Jeez. Always hitting my masculinity.
Yep.
So basically you want to have that last knuckle underneath your ear and then find what's comfortable and make it consistent. The same thing every time. It's going to take a while to find that, but then make it consistent once you find what's comfortable.
Is that going to be the same for everybody?
No, you're going to find what's comfortable for you, but you do want to have that last knuckle underneath your ear.
Somewhere?
Yeah. You don't want to be floating up here. You don't want to be floating back here. You'll rip off your beard.
If you've got one. You do okay.
A little bit. Number 2. Second point of contact you want is the nose. You want the point of contact, you want the string to be able to touch your nose. I like to have it at the tip of my nose every time, so that way I know it's consistent. This isn't going to be the same for everybody because the axle to axle is getting so small. With smaller axle to axle bows, the newer ones, longer draw lengths are probably not going to be able to achieve this. So don't mess up your form just to make the nose point of contact work.
So it's good for short guys, not tall guys.
Yeah, good for shorties. You got an advantage here for once.
Shut up.
And the last point of contact, number 3.
Number 3.
You want to have the kisser point of contact.
Pow.
This is a good one for consistency because the string will most likely go across your mouth and you have it on the corner of your mouth, pressing up against there. You'll actually see people have a kisser button. Pow, right in the kisser.
Pow. Right in the kisser.
Pow, right in the kisser. Pow, right in the kisser. Pow, right in the kisser.
And so that button will kind of help them understand, okay, this is exactly where it goes every time.
You try to do a little
Every
Peter
time.
at the uses.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. Okay? Anyways, this again might not work for shorter axle to axle with longer draw lengths. Wow. It's like you knew what I was going to say.
I'm learning.
So again, you probably want to have at least 2 of these 3 anchor points. But if you can't, don't force it. Don't ruin your form to make it happen. I mean, if you can't make it happen, then maybe you should change to guns.
That's what I did. Long time ago. Speaking of, I got a bow for sale.
Can't pull it back.
My number's 5.
Not strong enough.
What?
If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, subscribe now. Check out other related videos and leave a comment below.
And if you're gonna make fun of us, make it funny at least. We enjoyed the funny ones.
Until next time, keep hunting, fishing,
And living in sticks.
you still got it.
Yeah, I
Still got
do.
it, buddy.
You did too, I guess.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.